evening, everyone. Thank you so much. Here I am again. Today I'm going to Space Museum in Chimchachoy. So this is my first time to come over there. So please join me again. And huwag kayong magsasawang samahan ako lagi sa aking pagbablog. Kasi ito yung magpapayaman sa akin. So napakaganda ng weather for today. At ang ganda-ganda ng alapap. So pag tinitingnan mo, parang ang lapit-lapit at kayang-kaya mo lang siyang abutin. And last time I've been there in Cultural Center, but this time we are going here. Hopefully na hindi tayo mabigo at makarating at makapasok tayo. Okay, let's go! It's Chimchachoy Station. And this is the Hong Kong Space Museum. So we're going to get inside. I'm so excited. We are here now and picture you on Mars entrance. Man in space. So 1957, like the first dog in space, USSR. In 1960s, Alexei Leonov first spacewalk USR from 1961 to 1963. Neil Armstrong, first man on the moon, USA, 1969. And surveyor first America spacecraft to land of the moon, 1966. And this is Skylab. Ito yung Skylab. Pioneer 10 first space probe to visit Jupiter. And 1980s, of course, the Columbia, start from Columbia. And of course, Hubble Space Telescope in 1990 to 97. Mars Pathfinder, an American robotic spacecraft, arrived on Mars and transmitted pictures back 1990s. Of course, in 2000 and 2010, ito na yun, si Yang Liwi from China. Yang Liwi, China first astronaut launched to orbit the space aboard Shenzhou 5. Pag 1925, New Horizon, the first spacecraft explored the dwarf planet Koto, USA. So ito na yung magiging outlook niya. So we have to try it. So itapat natin itong bilog na to dito kung aangat siya. So yun ang gravity, may gravity siya. So nice Good. Curiosity also has monitored radiations by the sun and space. Ito yung ginagamit pagka nasa space ka na car. Yan. Ka, no? Ganyan ang ikot, kabilis siya. How fast does the astronaut have to spin to keep him from falling? Wow. So liyong-liyo ka na nun kapag ganyan kabilis yung spin around ng mga astronaut kapag nandun na sila sa outer space. Galing So sila yung mga nakarating sa spaceship and nakabalik noong 2008. Plus 12 seconds, the rocket bunks to the southeast. Press the button to start. Insert the pin all the way into the holes from the largest to the smallest one without touching the walls. You have 10 seconds for each hole. What is your total time spent? So the exercise test is one. The exercise test not only the hand stability but also the psycho-behavioral response to potential astronauts in stress situations. So we have to try. So, dito na tayo sa loob para tayong nakasakay na rin sa spaceship, right? So nice! Lalakbay tayo. Yan, orientations. Ito yung outlook niya kapag nandito ka na sa loob ng orientation sa ng spacecraft. So nice, ha? So, nakaramdam mo para kang rin umiikot-ikot, pero ang ganda talaga. So, this is a really good experience. So, ganun na mangyayari kapag nasa space. Ganyan. So, in the 1960s, Apollo astronauts were allowed to eat with a spoon. Turkey, gravy, and strawberry sauce were on the menu. And 1970s, in the Skylab, there was a full kitchen with refrigerator, freezer, and hot water. So, yan yung loob. Open to enjoy your space meal. So, meron siyang code inside. Ayan. Makikita mo, mayroong notes. Yan. So, you have astronaut aboard the International Space Station can choose their own food. Space toilets. Going to the bathroom in zero gravity is a bit different from that on Earth. The solid and liquid waste in wafted away by airflow. Solid waste and sealed in plastic bag for disposal back on Earth and carried by a supply vehicle to burn up in the atmosphere. And liquid waste and recycled to the drinking water system and air is clean and added to cabin air. So, space bedrooms, there is no up and down, and the day and nights cycle occurs 16 times a day on the International Space Station. So, astronaut maintains sleep cycle but had to be strapped into a sleeping bag. So, yan yung sleeping bag ng mga astronaut. And keeping clean, and there is no shower, and there is the International Space Station astronauts wash themselves with little water, liquid soap, shampoo, and clothe the water. Space life science talaga sila. Keep fit and space in the weightless environments of the space. Astronaut lose muscle, bones, since it is not required to support their weight. Sa loob ng wow. Super ang galing, ang ganda talaga. Contour chamber and space kapag ka medyo hindi na okay yung pakiramdam mo. So, yan, meron din. LED lighting module. A new LED light similar to this household lamp that can change lighting color helps astronauts stay awake and sleep well. So, different colors yung umano dyan. Yan. Sometimes orange, blue, and science experiments. One of the most important rules of ISS is to observe the Earth's surface to carry out research into weather, climate change, agriculture, and natural disaster. And thousands of experiments and observations are carried out of the International Space Station. Here is a small selections of them. And the green color is integrated communications officer, and the color yellow is flight dynamics officer, and the blue one is guidance, navigation, and control system engineer, and the red color is retro fire officer. So ayan, kailangan talagang ma-follow yung mga instruction na yun, kaya may mga colors sila by colors. Click to enter game, something like this. So yeah, ito na yung iba't ibang klase ng rockets sa Dome B, USA. Okay, United States rockets SA. So napakalaki ng rockets ng United States. Nag-height siya ng 111 meters. So this one is an USSR height 105 meter. So ayan yung rocket. And this one is Space Shuttle USA. Ang taas niya ay 56 meter. Wow. So, nasa Discovery and also Discovery and nasa USA. So, nag-iiba-iba na yung style nila. So, nag-umpisa tayo sa rocket before ng malalaki. So, sobrang laki. So, ngayon ay talagang ayan, paliit sila ng paliit. Paliit sila ng paliit. So, and this one is Ariane Space Service and Solutions. At may taas siyang 50.5 meters. This one. And Delta 2 USA. At may taas siyang 37.8 meters. And the blue one. And so USSR. May taas siyang haba siya ng 50 meter. And also some other this one is Zenit 2, 57 meters ang last. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, India, height 44 meters. And Long March 2F China, 58.32 meters. And of course, hindi nagpapahuli ang Japan, yung Nippon H11 Japan. Meron siyang taas na 50 meters. So, yan yung mga rockets. Nakita natin! Yeah! Kapag na-touch natin to, try. Pag mabilis yung turn. So, turn handle, you have enough fuel. Press the button to fire the rocket. And hydrogen and oxygen are generated when you turn the handle, pushing the bottom fires a spark to explode the hydrogen. So, kailangan marami siyang oxygen para talagang umangat siya mula sa lupa. So, kailangan talaga niyang maraming hangin para bumulusok siya ng napakabilis papunta sa rocket space. Yes. So, yung batang yan, nahihirapan na siya kanina pa dahil hindi niya magawang paputukin ang rocket na yan. See you sa aking part 2 dito sa bidyong ito at pag-usapan natin ang mga buwan. So, thank you so much this time and see you sa part 2 ng video ko. Thank you so much and God bless.